Oh, good morning. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning here. Drizzled rain most of the night. And so I'm just getting up. Go for a bit of a walk here and get some blood flowing. There's old Shuswap Lake in the morning. Well, part of it anyways. It's a big long narrow lake and it kind of shoots around that way, and there's another big long narrow section over there. It's pretty huge. But here's this part of it. Lots of fog over the water this morning. Here's a bit more of the lake. Around the other corner of the campground here. It's pretty cool that two sides of the campground are surrounded by the lake. The mountains in the morning. So I don't have any real solid plans for today, but I got about 150 to 100 kilometers worth of gas in my tank. I got my jerry can in the back. I have a couple of sandwiches packed. I got some water, and can't see this map at all. So last time I came through Salmon Arm, and I am thinking that I just went in and camped here somewhere. I think. So this is actually Salmon Arm. The body of water we see, and I think it's actually just Salmon Arm. And I think we're here somewhere, other than all the lights we see were the lights of town. So I think I want to see if I can take this highway and get over to actual Shuswap Lake here. And I'm not sure where, but somewhere I want to catch a hiking trail and go for a little hiking adventure. So that's the plan. So we're around the other side here, and it's really quite beautiful, but it sucks that there's not much of public beach access along this lake. It's all just owned by like rich people and shit. Like you see a nice dock or a nice beach and you're like, oh, that's nice, and you drive by. No, private property. So this is the only little roped off area here that's for the public that I've seen. There might be something further the other way. I don't know, but I'm probably going to go to White River or White Lake, see if I can find that, and go for a little hike, I think. See if we can see some more views. On this edition of the White Boy Tourist, we scale down jagged cliffs to stare at big bodies of water. Wow, isn't that neat? So, this road, all along here, all along Shuswap Lake here, this area I'm in, it's all just residential. residential areas and cottagers or whatever, so there's most of this waterfront is private. So to even get a glimpse of the water, you need to do shit like this. You gotta pull over on the side of the road and scale down sketchy cliffs in areas that are too sketchy for people to fucking have their boat docks. So that's whatever, maybe I'm in the wrong area, but it's a little disappointing. I was expecting more public use areas, but that's the way she is. But it is a beautiful day, and I am going to go try to find a new area to explore, because I've seen about all I can see here, I think. This is White Lake, beautiful as F. Still a very densely populated area though. Well, I obviously have no idea where I'm going, so better stop and check the old map here. That was some slick fucking road, man. Jeepers. We are here, White Lake somewhere. So I want to go down on the best route out here. See, I'm camped here somewhere. I don't know where. Maybe, I don't know, somewhere here. So I want to come down and up this way. And you see right there. Boom, another BS hiking sign. So, there. I see the road there I gotta take. And doop. That's the new plan. Alright. Well, F the map, F the phone, and I'm taking her by foot from here on in. Sure is nice. think the campground is, yeah, right there. Right straight across, right over there is where the campground is. I think, probably, maybe. Yeah, of course, of fucking course. We get to the right park, find the trails, all fucking excited. Look. What the actual fuck? Nah, that's not creepy or anything, is it? It's just a quick, oh jeez, there's some way up there. Tree of, I'm sure it said souls. Tree of, oh Jesus. Souls everywhere. Neat. Neat. Nature here, Skimmin, something is the name of the area. Yeah, so only took 3 tries and I find a place to hike. I wanted to like hike up a mountain and see some scenic views, but apparently that wasn't going to fucking happen today. Holy dick, look what I found. It was just sitting right there like that. Wow. Should I leave it for somebody to come find or should I grab it? I don't know. Fuck, it is pretty sweet. Cool. Wasn't that crazy? It's no line. It's all Vic clamped together. It must be a water line. But by the moss, it looks like it's been there for a while. But it's all just completely washed out here. Look, it's a big trench. I'm gonna go over and see what that sign says. Oh boy. Oh. Shit, that's crazy. What in tarnation? They bulldozed the road through here and blew all these trees down. What the? Oh, ball sacks. Huh. Well, oh, shit. Oh. Ooh. Huh. Ooh. Oh. Now do I turn around? Or do I try to figure out where Trail 8's going? That looks almost like a pipeline right away or something. Or just a drainage ditch maybe. I don't know. Something crazy. And what is it? Oh. Okay. Huh. I think old Trail 8's had the biscuit. Oh, views. Whew. I've been walking for about 45 minutes now. Man, I just passed by some sketchy looking shit, man. These old crappy trailer homes just full of junk and children's toys thrown out by the road and abandoned cars. But look, there's actually people living there, so I was too scared to pull out the camera. Fuck. It's pretty nuts. Wow. Holy moly. We got llamas. We got scrap Chev trucks and Trans Ams, Winnebagos. Wow. This road has everything. I think I'm like, fuck, I don't know. less than half a mile from where my bike is, I think, judging by memory. Look, here's another nice little provincial campsite just past where I was. Beautiful little spot. I don't know why I just didn't stay here. I guess I should have done my research more. I would have been happier here. I would have been less busy. But whatever. It is what it is, man. I already paid for another night before I left, and I'm not packing all my shit up and moving it, so not the end of the world. It wasn't that expensive of a campground anyways. Just busy, that's all.